Bullish Ethereum cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5,721.30 and $10,806.91 by 2030. Market experts accept ETH could reach $4,449.90 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $1,017.12. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. Vestage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum pioneers. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary go-betweens like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that show responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few foundations. They are moreover conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any safe computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for undertakings done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are highlights of Ethereum. Subsequently, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. Ethereum specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more reassuring sign. The cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging movement upholds this. Accordingly, assuming the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary obstruction, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum Essential Investigation. It's memorables fundamental that most cryptographic forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the securities exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable major investigation and taking into account all the data that is presently open about the venture, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of crucial investigation is to determine a resource's inherent worth. For example, you might assess whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inner and outside factors. Ether is important due to a few elements. In any case, its value is vital for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classifications of advances, decentralized trades, subordinates, resources, and installments require Ether charges. Besides, the environment of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and various, as found in the pictures underneath. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is right now worth $1,271.39 USD. ETH has moved 1.19% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,771,899,486. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $154,866,214,034 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ETH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1,907.01. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. averaging $1,779.88 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,525.61. Ethereum value expectation 2024. In 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $3,178.35. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ETH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2,542.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $2,796.95. Ethereum value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4,449.69 and ETH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4,068.29 and a low of $3,814.02 in 2025. Ethereum value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Ethereum effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $5,721.03, with a base cost of $5,085.36 and a typical cost of $5,339.63. Ethereum value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6,610.97 by 2027, with a base cost of $6,356.70 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ETH has a most extreme value worth of $6,992.37. Ethereum value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7,882.31. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $8,263.71. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $7,628.04. Ethereum value expectation 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $8,899.38 and a yearly cost close above $9,535.05 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. By 2030, Ethereum will at last outperform